Hey everyone, welcome to today's video. Hope you people are doing good. Today we are back with a new video to share unbiased review on the product that is microclimate mask. So as people from United States, Canada and United Kingdom are very curious to know about the detail of this mask. If you are one of them, just watch this video. This mask has been recently launched. This mask has many new features that keep the person comfortable and safe with outside germs and environment. The mask has system of fans that traps the fresh air and keeps the mask clean and fresh. It has unique method of filters that can clean 96% of 0.3 microparticles of the air. The mask is designed in such a way that it cleans both the approaching and departing air. Let's check out what is unique about this product. Microclimate launched the Air 2 microclimate mask in two variants, the Air X microclimate and Air 2X microclimate mask. Apart from having an aeronautical design, the microclimate mask has various other futuristic and specification. The mask has been extensively tested as claimed by company to provide comfort, looks, stylish and help user to with other facilities such as comfort, sound, breathability with fresh and purified air. The specification of the product are: the Air and Air 2 masks come with 4 HEPA filter for advanced dust and pollutant filtration. The masks also have 3-speed fan behind the mask for air purification and comfort ventilation inside the mask. It has cushioned neckline, sealed and 8 hours of battery life. The mask comes with a long, almost 6 feet of USB cable C charging for the batteries and have a live music listening experience. The positive point of the mask are: the mask is stunning in design with a dome shaped cover. The mask also have very advanced pathogen filtration process through its 4 HEPA filters. The comfort of breathing due to its fan is an edge to the mask. The mask also enables music streaming while wearing it for fun. The negative point of the mask are: the mask review shows that the shipping time is up to 8 weeks. The cost of the mask is very high, which makes them less affordable to people. The replacement part of the mask are also very high, so it is recurring investment. There are no refund available as the mask is treated as personal use product. Here question come in the mind of customer, that is it a legit product? So let's check out the detail. Microclimate masks are also available on other websites like Amazon. The customer reviews suggest that the product is from a genuine company. The founder detail and contact details for the products are available on the website. As far as customer reviews are concerned, the customers of this mask are usually a particular group of people who belong to somewhat upper side of the society, as the mask price is about $299 US. However, some of the independent reviewers who have bought this mask have given two types of reviews. Firstly, some customers have found this mask futuristic and have enjoyed it because of the features and the design. In contrast, the other group has seen the mask as costly, ineffective and wastage of time and money. So in conclusion, we can say that it will be a wise saying that the mask is undoubtedly high priced, and the reviews give us a picture that mask is not very useful apart from its extra feature, and there are deeper option available, and there are more option available in the market as cheap as possible. So this is our review, and if you still want to use this product, you can make a thorough research and then make a decision for your shopping. And if you have a personal experience of using this product, please share your experience and views regarding this product. We love to hear from you.